Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of science. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of physics with Newton's 3 laws of motion. These laws are the foundation of classical mechanics and help us understand how objects move and interact. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and fun with some easy examples. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about how things work, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. This law is all about the natural tendency of objects to keep doing what they're already doing. It states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an external force. This means that things don't just start or stop moving on their own. Think of it this way. Imagine you're on a bus. You're sitting comfortably, enjoying the ride. When the bus suddenly stops, you lurch forward, right? That's because your body wants to keep moving even though the bus has stopped. This is inertia in action. To prevent yourself from falling, you might grab onto a pole or brace yourself against the seat. This is a perfect example of Newton's first law. Next, let's move on to Newton's second law of motion. This law explains how the velocity of an object changes when it is subjected to an external force. This one says that the acceleration of an object depends on the net force acting on it and its mass. In simpler terms, force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals sine ma. Imagine you're pushing a heavy object, like a car. The harder you push, the more it accelerates. But if the car is very heavy, you'll need to exert a lot more force to get it moving. This is why it's easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full one. The mass of the cart affects how much force you need to apply to move it. Picture pushing a shopping cart. The harder you push, the faster it goes. But if the cart is full of groceries, you need to push even harder to get it moving at the same speed. This is a clear demonstration of Newton's second law in our everyday lives. So next time you're at the supermarket, remember that you're actually applying physics principles. Finally, let's talk about Newton's third law of motion. This is the famous one. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that forces always come in pairs. When you push on something, it pushes back on you with equal force. Let's say you're jumping off a boat onto a dock. As you push down on the boat to jump, the boat pushes back up on you, causing it to move in the opposite direction. This is why the boat rocks back when you jump off it. The action of you pushing down is met with the reaction of the boat pushing up. This principle is also why rockets can launch into space. The engines push down on the ground and the ground pushes the rocket up with equal force. So there you have it. Simple but powerful. Newton's 3 laws of motion made easy with real-life examples. Remember, these laws are everywhere, from sports to everyday activities. They help us understand the fundamental principles of how things move and interact. Understanding them can really help you grasp how the world around us works. Whether you're playing sports, driving a car, or just walking, these laws are in action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-understand science lessons. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching and keep exploring. Stay curious and keep questioning the world around you. Until next time, happy learning